Yes, Blum has finally listed this morning by 11 a.m. Nigerian time, and a lot of persons were not eligible after months of farming it. It's quite unfortunate. But if you're eligible, congratulations. I want to show us that is still, in case if you're interested, to buy more of it. So if you still want to buy Blum, I will not discourage if you want to buy it. Okay, let's check the current price of Blum now. If you want to buy it, make sure you have a USDT in your wallet. This is where your wallet is. Click on this wallet. Make sure you have USDT in this wallet. Are you getting it? Already, this exchange I'm doing this video from is MEXC Exchange, or you call it MEXC Exchange. So Blum got listed in MEXC Exchange and Biggest Exchange. So that is it. I told you guys in my last video about Blum. Yes, that if you don't know how to maneuver or navigate Biggest Exchange, you should practice it before today being Friday. It got listed. I don't know how many of you did what I told you to do. Are you getting it? So some persons were like they didn't get anything from Blum after months of farming, even after giving them tone and stars. Still, they were not able to get something meaningful. No problem, don't be discouraged. It's always like that in some of the airdrops. That doesn't mean that other airdrops is going to be or is going to perform or do the way Blum did. No, understand? So keep farming, but I want to say this: don't only rely on farming airdrops. As you are farming airdrops, learn other Web3 skills that will enable you. So that is it. I want you to let's go to trade. Let's go to trade. If you make sure you have wallets, USDT in this your wallet. I've said it before. Make sure you have USDT. Make sure you have USDT in this wallet. Then if you want to buy Blum, but don't buy now. Okay, you come to trade. Let's look at Blum. Let's look at the price of Blum on MEXC Exchange. Click on this trade. See trade here. Let me see trade there. Click on this trade. Let's look at the current price of Blum. All right, see Blum here. Are you getting it? In case if they are not seeing Blum in your own, what to do is this: any coin you are seeing, click on this arrow down, type for, look for that coin. For example, you want to buy let's say eyes. Let's see if eyes is listed on this exchange. No. Let's see pepper. You want to buy pepper. I want to use this opportunity to show you how you can buy on MEXC Exchange. It's applicable to other exchanges also. See pepper here. Let's assume this is pepper. Okay, I see what I'm doing. Let's assume pepper is what was here before. I want to check out the current price of Blum. What do? What you do is you click on this drop down arrow here. Click on it and search for Blum. You search for Blum here inside the search engine. You type Blum. Click on it. BLUM. Blum. Okay, US/USDT. Can you see it? Blum/USDT. If you have USDC, USDC is a stable coin. It's not only USDT that is a stable coin. We have about 6 different types of stable coin. You have USDT, we have USDC. So Blum got listed both on USDC and USDT. So any of these stable coin can buy Blum. Are you getting it? Now let's go for the first one, Blum/USDT. Let's click on it. Are you getting it? Now I'm showing how to buy on MEXC Exchange. The same thing is applicable to other exchanges. You see Blum there. This is the price. It's down already at $0.09. Are you getting it? Now, assuming you were giving 1,000 pieces of Blum as your own allocation. Let's type 1,000, see how much it will come out. 1,000. Okay, see 1,000 pieces of Blum is giving out 97. This 97 USDT, that is $97. Somebody use calculator and check if we are correct. This 97, if just check 0.09 times this 1,000, if it will give us this 97 USDT, and drop it in the comment section for me. Okay, I'll be glad to see your response. If you have any question concerning Blum, if you want to buy Blum, before I forget, don't buy now. Look at it's still pumping at plus 888%. It's still high. Don't jump in now. If you jump in now, others that enter earlier before you will use you as exit liquidity. So I will advise you to calm down, keep monitoring it to surely come down. Between now, today is Saturday, between now and Monday or Wednesday next week, okay, it will surely drop in price. It will surely come down, maybe around that minus 30%. It will be showing red, and once it's done, it should be showing red, maybe minus 30%, minus 40%, minus 20%. You can now go in and buy. If you want to buy, what do? Make sure you have USDT before now. You come to buy. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, you click on sell. Let me click on this sell now. You click on sell. Can you see it? Assuming I have Blum here already, maybe 1,000 pieces of Blum I want to sell. Click on sell. Then this limit here, I change it to market. I click on this drop down arrow. Let me click, change it to market. Can you see market? I want to sell. Click on that market. Then drag this long thing. Start from here. Drag it to the end. If you want to sell, or if you don't want to sell, just drag it, maybe 50%, stop. Then after that, you click on sell. I don't know if somebody's understanding him. You click on this sell here. It will go straight to your wallet. Understand? Then you proceed to P2P up here and sell your USDT and get your money in your bank account. Are you getting it? If you want to buy, you come on, click on buy. Let's click on buy. The same to make sure it's on market. And make sure you have USDT in your wallet here. Then you now type how many pieces of Blum you want. Okay, USDT. If you have USDT, if you drag this arrow up to this place, maybe 50%, it will show you the amount of the quantities of Blum you're going to get. Then at the end of the day, you click on buy. Are you getting it? Once you click on buy, it will go straight to your wallet. You see Blum there. Thank you so much, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't fail to subscribe to my channel for more vital information about cryptocurrency. Comment, share, and like. I love you guys. You see the price is still pumping. That time it was at 888. Now it's 916%. Blum is still pumping. Don't buy now. See my next